When you arrive on campus for COVID surveillance testing, use your mobile device or provided tablet to complete your upstate medical information. The attendant at Station 1 will ask you some pre-screening questions while you fill out a short form. Once this is completed, deposit your used pen, take a testing kit, and proceed to one of the chairs to fill out your testing form on the Upstate Medical app. Be sure to enter the correct digits under the barcode on your testing kit. Submit the digital form via the Upstate Medical app and proceed to Station 2. Submit your paper form to the attendant at Station 2. Remove all materials inside of your testing kit, making sure to take the small plastic cap. The attendant will provide you with a label with your name and date of birth. Place this label above the barcode on the testing tube and move to Station 3. The attendant at Station 3 will then prompt you to lower your mask and give your saliva sample. Make sure your sample reaches the fill line on the tube. Once complete, close the cap to release the reagent into the sample and shake. Remove the reagent cap and seal with the plastic cover. Deposit your sample at the table and sanitize before exiting. Thank you for doing your part for the Buffalo State community.